Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? My name's Vanessa and I do YouTube videos. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so this video is going to be a review on the new, somewhat new, yeah, it's been around, I think a couple of weeks now, the Anastasia Beverly Hills collab with Amrezy. That is what we're going to be working with today. I've got a vibe with this, you know. I've already done like my base, my brows and whatnot, so we're just going to do the eyes. I mean, I'm actually very excited to play with this. So I'm getting vibes like with this color, which is called Semsa, and I want to try a Leo because I haven't done blue, but Barb like is hella pretty. Even Litty is pretty cool. Like I'm just like really excited to try this out. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into the eyes. Please just work with my skin. It's just not working with me. Straight into the eyes. The base is done. Foundation. I've set everything. I've put Tarte Shape Tape on my eyes just as a base. I have set, done, dusted. So we're going to move straight into the eyes. We're going to start with OG. Ooh. We're just going to start with OG just for a transition color, just to get the base going. Just a fluffy brush. It's a really good neutral color. Like you can literally work with it like with any look. Just it's a good starting off point. I do regret doing my base first because if there is fallout, well, I don't want to do like too much of a difficult type of eye look. So I think I'm just going to go into the color Semsa, which is that purple color I mentioned earlier. And we're going to put it just in the outer corner of the eye. Might use this Luxe Petite. I feel like it's missing any crease brush. It's a 221 by Zoeva. So start with a little bit, work your way up. And just we're going to deepen the eye. And just with a fluffy brush, clean, or the one that you just used previously, just fluff it out. Like I said, you just work the color in, gradually build till you have your desired darkness. So now we're going to go into the color Leo, which is that blue I mentioned. Something like that. Can you see it? Okay, so we're just, ooh, that's pigmented. Alright, so we're just going to carefully pack that on. I'm just going to go half, or say 3/4 of the way. So we're just going to stop around there. I like it. That's the blue down. Now I'm just getting a really soft defined crease brush. And just with that OG color, the transition color, we're just going to blend. So now with that, like those two colors, you want to fix it up, I guess you could say. So just like a little fluffy brush like that. We're going to go back into Semsa and we're just going to just tap on it. And just with that brush from the little definer brush, just blend, 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 people. Liner is done for now. I'm just gonna put some lashes on. I mean, to be honest, the fallout, like, is pretty good. There wasn't, I have like a little bit here, which is the blue. The blue does the fallout. The other colors, if you tap off the excess, no fallout. So that's where we're working with right now. All right, so lashes are on, eyeliner is on, top mascara is on. So now we're gonna get straight to the bottom lashes. Or should I do the rest of my face? I might actually finish like the rest of my face. So I'll just quickly time lapse. All right, so I've done the face. Now we're gonna get to the bottom of the eyes because, sorry, I've just got Nutella on my leg. The bottom of the eyes literally like pulls the whole thing together. I'm gonna go with like OG again. That was the transition color, and just go. I put way too much. No, I didn't. All right. Ooh, sorry guys. And then with that color Barb that I had mentioned earlier, which is like almost like a holographic. So it looks pink, but then in an angle looks kind of blue. So I'm gonna put that in the corner of my eyes. I'm using the same pencil brush. And then no, I think I'm gonna leave it like that because it's giving me vibes. So we're gonna just add some mascara. I need to get a new mascara. Can anybody recommend me a new one? Because I am really appreciating this. This looks good. I'm just gonna go with the color 1988, which is like a little bit darker than the oh, look at that. I literally just touched the color. Oh, just gonna wipe a bit on my hand. Yes, I have already had mascara. Now we're just gonna do highlighter. I need to get a new highlighter. I'm just gonna use like the Ofra Rodeo Dry because Amrezy always has like her highlighter on point, and it's like over the top, but I live for that, so Okay. Feel like I should go do my hair. I'm gonna just show you the eyes. Actually, I might just go do my hair. I'm not, should I change my top? Just wearing like this top from Boohoo, I think. All right, I'll be right back. Well, hair is done. I just curled it. No, I did not use the waver, but I'll leave my review down below for that one as well. So here's the makeup look. I am once again slightly cockeyed. There. All right, so this is the look that I did with the Amrezy palette. I'll zoom in, and that's the eyes. All right, so final review. I feel like I'm cockeyed. Oh well, okay, whatever. So final review of the Amrezy, the Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration with Amrezy is, well, I love it. Like, it's really good. The packaging, I mean, for like, if you just look at it, not touching it, it looks like, you know, really cute, you know, glittery. I like it, but touching it, I'm not a fan of the feel. But that's all right. I mean, like, everybody each to their own. So that's just me. Pigmentation, but I've got the Renaissance palette. I love it. It's like, pigmentation is really good. Like I said, the only fallout I had was with the blue eyeshadow. So I did use OG, Semsa, 1988, Leo, and Barb. So I used like a third of the color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Yeah, roughly a third of the colors. Does it have a wide range? Yes, it does. Like, you've got your pinks, so you can make a really girly look. Then you've got the, like, the OG transition color, 1988, where you can do, and Yugo, which is this dark one with the black, you can do like a grunge look. Then you've got all the glittery colors to make it really glam, or not use the glittery colors to not make it glam. The only color, literally out of the whole palette, that I don't like is this pink one, which is called Resi. The color looks a bit tacky, but I haven't actually, yeah. No, it's not for me. It's a tacky color for my skin tone. But besides that, these are going to be my friends. All of these guys, especially OG. I like him. Semsa. It would be awesome to do the whole eye in Semsa, but I'm living for Leo. I love him. He's my new best friend, so working with that. But yeah, I'm getting vibes, like good vibes. I actually am not going anywhere today. So, yeah, if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, Vanessa, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified when I upload. You know, my family is very small, like just over 1,000 people, but it's still a lot of people if you think about it. But yeah, if you want to see more, just join the fam. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in my next video.